Hey guys, good morning. So it's basically 3 in the morning, so I just woke up. Can you guys even see me? Maybe let me try look for light. So hi guys again, welcome back to my channel. I know I even look crazy, so I just woke up not long ago. We are about to head out. I am going to the Nairobi National Park with my friends. There's a couple of friends of mine have just come into the country, so we just want to head on over to for a game drive in Nairobi National Park. It's gonna be my first time. Imagine, believe it or not, I'm Kenyan and I've lived in Nairobi for all my life, and I've never been to the national park, and it's crazy. So today that's what we are doing. We are heading over. We're using a Land Cruiser from my favorite people from Mufasa Travel. So if you guys, this is not sponsored or anything, but if you want to travel either Masai Mara, Amboseli, Savo, Nairobi National Park, Mufasa Travels has the best rates, you guys. So yeah, let me just get ready and then I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. So